Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share that beautiful mini album. Inside is paper from Ciao Bella. Collection have name Under the Tuscan Sun. And before I show you what is inside, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell. Your comment make me so happy and feeling to make more projects. This album have a closure on the magnet like this, and on the back we have pocket with tiny tag inside, photomat also. And let's see what is inside the album. When I open door, it's tiny pocket. I just cut paper, and inside is that photomat with beautiful image. Okay, let's go. And opposite the door, have envelope, and inside the envelope we have that folding notes where we can write something, some story. Put photo also here about the photos in album. 2, 3, 4 to fill that 3D envelope. Okay, closure is on the magnet. First page, continue with that door, and I just cut around the way to make pocket for photos. When I open, opposite is flap with photomat. Opposite side have pocket with tag for photos. When I turn the page, it's pocket aside with photomat, and middle page, let's continue, has pocket with photomat, and here is tiny waterfall. And I make that tiny waterfall because in collection are that cute pictures, and I want to put them to the album. And here also I cut a little bit for that tiny tag. And to not flow that waterfall, I put that card, that photomat there. When I turn this page, I cut pocket here, and I glue that beautiful images. We can put tiny notes there, and also it's pocket here. So, in the middle are beautiful door with flap and possible to put photos there. When I turn that page, pocket is here, here, and beautiful card. Okay, in the middle it's again flap. We can write some message, and look at that beautiful lens. When I turn this page, we have flap with, I cut a little bit pocket there. and when we open its magnet we get some place for photos on waterfall. Okay, I'll show again. Okay, in the middle it's again the beautiful picture, and I cut and put that photo mat. Here we have waterfall, and last is that beautiful country. We cut pocket and put the zoom of this here photo mat. Okay, so let's go to close. First page, second page, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, and magnet. Thank you very much to visit my channel. Again, ask you to subscribe, and see you on next project. Bye bye guys.